What is all this crap?
Hi.
I have become cool, as you can tell from these really awesome sunglasses. Whoa! Ow! I gotta learn how to ride a bike. Hey everybody in TV land. Last time we talked about dropper posts, I was on the fence. I wasn't into it. I was kind of like, what's the point? But since then, I have become cool, as you can tell from these really awesome sunglasses. And I'm totally on board. I love them. It's like you just get your ass down, you get your center of gravity goes down. And I also ride a lot of drop bar bikes, and a lot of gravel and bikepacking bikes are coming with dropper routing. So we had to make a 31/8 clamp dropper post specifically for drop bars, and it's got a hinge clamp on it. Fits on this portion of your drop bar, the 31/8 portion, and the cable goes straight down. Instead of going this way and getting caught in all this other stuff going on here, it just goes either that way or that way, depending on the angle here, which makes it real nice, clean routing and super awesome. It's got, just like our 7/8 or 22.2 dropper trigger, it's got two sealed cartridge bearings. You can use either end of the cable for the cable clamp. You ergonomically designed, put a lot of time into getting that shape right, and all that other good stuff. And of course made in Chico, California by us, and we are very cool.
Hi. I'm Hayley. We're in the assembly sector of Paul Component Engineering, and today it's Tie-Dye Friday. I have to mention that. Today we're going to assemble the 31/8 dropper trigger in orange, like sunshine. So these have been machined in-house and anodized and sent to me. First we're going to pop the bearings in. Next, we're going to need to put a pin in this clamp here. A little nervous. Now, once we've got the bearing in the trigger and we've got the pin in the clamp, we're going to take our M4 washer and our M4 screw, and we're going to pop it right in here. Next, we got to make sure our clamp closes and is secure. And after that, we get to connect the trigger to the clamp. So we're going to take our M5 flat washer and our M5x16 button head. At this point, we're almost done. Last and not least, a barrel adjuster. So that was my first video. I was a little nervous, but I tell you what, with this Paul Component dropper trigger 31/8 in orange, you could be popping and dropping all day.
I can't help you. That's some good dropper.